A 4K drone with obstacle avoidance and a built-in screen? This D66 drone might be one of the most exciting budget drones right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're checking out the D66 Drone, a compact quadcopter packed with brushless power, dual cameras, and smart flight features.
First impression? This drone looks premium and compact. Foldable design, easy to carry. Stylish look, inspired by premium drones. Durable build with LED lights. Perfect for outdoor fun and travel. One cool feature? Remote controller with screen support. Plus, Wi-Fi connection for live view on your phone. Flexible control for beginners and casual users. Let's talk camera. 4K HD camera, marketing up to higher resolutions. Dual camera system, 135-degree adjustable lens. Real-time Wi-Fi transmission. Capture aerial shots. Downward angles. Creative content. This drone comes packed with smart features. Optical flow hovering for stability. 3-sided obstacle avoidance. 1-key takeoff and landing. 1-key return. Headless mode for easy flying. And 360-degree flips for fun. Even beginners can control it easily. Performance and battery. Around 11 to 15 minutes flight time. And up to 100 meters control range. Brushless motor. Smoother and more powerful. Good for casual flying, not long-range pro use. Smart functions. Draw a path, it follows automatically. App control support. Gesture photo capture. Speed modes for different skill levels. This drone is great for beginners, social media creators, travel shots, fun flying and tricks. So, is the D66 worth it? Easy to use, brushless motor performance, obstacle avoidance, basic level, dual camera flexibility. But camera quality isn't true professional 4K. Limited range and battery, obstacle avoidance is not perfect. Still, for the price, it's a fun and beginner-friendly drone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.